Hey, I anti-Meridim AM. 78, about 6 feet tall and around 180, and I anti-Meridim AM, not into wrestling with vacuums. I bought the V15 Detect cordless because the big ones were too heavy and the cords were a headache. I thought this would be another gimmick, but it actually works. Suction is solid, attachments snap on and off easily, and emptying is simple. I keep it mounted on a wall cradle so it's ready anytime. Hardwood floors. The laser head spots dust I would have missed. Carpeted stairs. Switch to a handheld and glide up clean. Do you need an extra battery? Maybe, but I would buy it again in a heartbeat.